What's up guys, what's going on? Welcome back to this channel. So in this video I want you to relax, calm your nerve down, because I'm going to be sharing with you something amazing. This one is different guys. All right, so in this video you're going to see how I'm going to um this is a sniper entry anyway, so you can see where I actually made entry right here. So I'm hoping I might hold this trade more than a day, 2 days, 3 days. It depends. Okay, so I'm risking just um a little percent of my account, and I'm targeting to get up to 10% of this account, right? So you can see where my stop loss is down here, and my TP, let's see, very far, like very far, very far. I have to go to a higher time frame for you to see my TP. Okay, so let's see. You can see where my TP is, guys. This is unbelievable. This is massive. This can't be true, right? So but I'm going to share with you everything. Okay, you can see where my TP is, and you can see my stop loss. So if you are doing like the risk reward, this is about 1:50 risk reward, guys. Okay, uh some people will be like, is this possible? It's not about expanding your TP or stop loss, anything like that. But are you still going to hit? Are you going to hit your TP? Are you going to hit your stop loss? So just take note of the levels, okay? And I will bring back everything about this video in a moment, guys. All right. So remember, this is a very small account. All right, this is a very small account. So if you have a very small account and you'll be like, oh, how can I actually trade? How can I make flip this account, double it, or make 5%, 10%, 20%, 50% of a small account? This particular strategy is what you are going to use. So but first, I don't need to talk too much about the strategy. I just want you to see the magic first, then you listen to me when I talk. All right guys, we are back again to this video. Okay, so as I've shown you guys before now, we were on drawdown when I ended the short clip, and I told you guys I'm coming back to share with you if the price will hit stop loss or keep pushing to our TP. I told you are going to be holding this trade for long, right? So this is the next day. Remember this particular trade, you are going to learn a lot from this trade. Okay, this particular trade is mostly for people who have small accounts. Okay, people who want to like flip accounts or double the account, or make 10%, 20%, 50% of the account in one trade. The amazing part of this is that you are going to be doing this with proper risk management. Okay, you're not going to be risking it all. You're not going to be doing it out of money or risk management. You are going to be conservative, and you're still going to maximize your profit at the same time. Most time when you hear people talk about flipping of accounts or growing accounts, you hear people talk about risk it all, go all out, go aggressive, enter multiple trade, increase your lot size, anything like that. See, this particular video is going to be, this is a live example of how you can actually do this with proper risk management without risking it all, going conservatively and still maximizing your profit. Okay, the only thing it will take you is time, patient and time. That means you have to wait. You can see this is the second day of this trade. Okay, this is the second day of the trade. I made this entry yesterday, so today we are still holding the trade. We are hoping the price will go more and more. We already more than 1:6 risk reward. I've already locked in my profit at about 1:4 point something risk reward, which is here. You can see my stop loss is already here. See my, look at my entry on, if I go down 15 minutes time frame, you can see after making my entry we went on drawdown, which is, this is the time I was making the video somewhere here. So, and the price is still pushed all the way to this level before reversing, and my stop loss is somewhere around this zone. Okay, so now if you look at how the price is pushing, okay, the price keep maintaining this sequence of uh lows. You can see this low, none of them is invalidating in any like the other. That's why I have to set my stop loss here, hoping that this retracement will not be able to get here. If it gets to the zone, there's no issues. I've already made a lot of money. Okay, so if you look right here guys, you can see that this is VS50, and that's 4 lot size. That's the lowest lot size on VS50. That means you are going to be doing this with the lowest lot size and you are still going to be making money. The only thing you need is that you have to wait, you have to be patient, you have to be your strategy should be on point, number one, and you have to wait for the trade to play out. It's not a trade that you enter within 2 minutes or 3 minutes and you are out, right? You enter the trade, you are going to take your time and just allow the trade to do its thing. It can take up to 3 days, 4 days, 2 days, a day, depending on how fast or how volatile the market is. Okay, so because volatility 50 is not that volatile like 75, I can be holding this trade for 2 days, 3 days, or more than that. Okay, even 1 week, if the as the case may be. Okay, so guys, if you really want to flip an account or grow your account, what I'm saying, okay, the essence of this video is to encourage us and make us understand that we must not risk it all in order to flip an account. We must not go all out in order to flip an account. I see some people will be like, oh, you just have like $20, you just have like $50, you just have like $100. There's no way you can do this with proper risk management. Just go all out. Either you lose it or you flip it. Okay, but the downside of this thing is that you have $50. Okay, let's say you have $50. If you want to throw this $50, if you want to like blow it, why not go to orphanage home and do charity? Why not give it to someone who had nothing? Why not give it out instead of just blowing it? Right? That's my own what I do ask myself. Do you really want to blow this thing? And most of us that they are giving that kind of advice, we even have nothing. Like, we are still struggling. You struggle and make maybe $50 or you make $100. You funded your account and someone is telling you to go all out. You can just either you lose it or you flip it, and you now call yourself, I am an aggressive trader. I am an aggressive trader. Who told you that you are aggressive? It's not about aggressiveness here. It's about, you are in business, right? You don't want to make losses. You don't want to like lose your money. The risk we have accepted as traders are some of the stop losses that will be hit. But at the same time, we want to be hitting our TP too. So nobody have funded account just to throw it away. So anybody who is telling you to go all out, throw it away, either you lose it or you make it, you cannot properly manage $100 account, $200 account. I think that's not like the best of the truths anyone can tell you, because you struggle, you know how hard it is to like fund this account, and you just want to throw it away. So let me share with you, as I told you guys that I'll be sharing with you how I entered this trade and how you can equally do the same thing, because I'm sharing with you everything. I entered this trade and the price is even on drawdown before we go, before I pause the video, and I told you guys I'm coming back to share with you the outcome, whether it hits stop loss or whether it's pushing in our direction, and also share with you why and how I entered this trade. Okay, so let me share with you quickly how I entered this trade. So first off, this kind of trade, you have to be accurate, okay, in your entry. So what you need to do is that you need to go to a higher time frame, like daily time frame. So if you come to daily time frame, I want you to zoom out a little bit. When you zoom out, can you see what the price have been doing? The price have been breaking structures to the upward direction. The price keep breaking structures to the upward direction. And look at another thing you have to pay close attention to. You can see that the price maintain the sequence of these lows. Okay, none of them is going beyond or invalidating the previous one. You can see this is the first low, this is second low, this one maintain it, and the price keep maintaining this low to the upward direction till this point. You can still see this low still maintain this movement after this high. Okay, now this is very interesting and something you have to pay close attention to when you see this kind of move. Okay, that's the most important thing. Now you have seen that the price is breaking structures to the upward direction. That means we are bullish. Everything you are going to be doing is buying. Okay, the next thing we are going to be doing is that you want to plot our trend line. Okay, so you can see we have this trend line to the upward direction too, which is an uptrending market. Then I've taught you something. Sometimes when I drop videos, people will be like, people might not be taking the video serious. They will just think that I decided to create videos, maybe I don't use them or anything like that. Okay, but from here you are going to see that I use whatever I share with you guys in this channel. Okay, the only thing is that I might be combining one, two, three of this particular stuff. Now if you look here, we have something we call the triple touches. You have the price touch here, one touch here, two, and this is the third time that the price is touching. Okay, so if the price is touching the third time, that means that place is going to be so powerful. Okay, we are looking at having a kind of a quick turning point at that zone. Okay, this is daily time frame. So I have the my trend bias, I have the level, which is the structure where I'm going to be making my entry. All I need to do now is to go down to a lower time frame, like 5 minutes, 15 minutes time frame, to look for my entry, or 30 minutes time frame. So what I did is I went to 30 minutes time frame and I observed this particular pattern, which is the double bottom at my zone. Okay, double bottom at my zone. So when the price is approaching my level, I see this double bottom. So I thought this is going to be the reversal point. This is going to be where the price is going to reverse from. I just went down to like 5 minutes time frame and I waited for a bullish candle, which is this particular candlestick that tricked me in. So this is the candle. After I saw this particular candle, candlestick on a lower time frame is not that strong anyway, so so I saw this particular candlestick right here. So I was like, wow, okay, this might be the reversal point. So the next candle, which is this bearish candle, was once a bullish candle. So when the price started pushing bullish, I made entry, hoping that the price is going to turn from here and probably set my stop loss below somewhere here. Okay, below the trend line. That's where I set my stop loss. That's why my stop loss was not able to hit. Okay, because I set it below my trend line, because I know the price can actually push all the way to hit this level and push up, to the this direction. So what I did is to set my stop loss below that trend line. Then I made my entry with the lowest loss size, guys. This is volatility 50. This is the lowest loss size. So when you are making an entries with lowest loss size, it's just be a kind of you have to be okay, taking your time. You have to be ready to hold the trade for a very long time, because you are making just one entry or two entries with the lowest loss size. So you have to be ready to make that money. Okay, you have to be patient. So that's exactly how I enter this trade. Go to a higher time frame or observe the trend, see your trend bias. Okay, make sure that the price is breaking structures and the price maintain the sequence of the lows, so that there will be no fake out. There will be nothing that will trick you out of the market, right? The price, make sure that the price is maintaining the lows and price is maintaining the highs. Okay, so once you see this, go to a lower time frame after plotting your trend line at the third touch. It must not be at the third touch anyways, but when you see third touch, it become more stronger. Okay, that's more quality trade right there. So you now go to a lower time frame, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, any minutes below 1 hour. You can go there, look for pattern, reversal pattern, and enter. You can go with if you are like this going bullish, you look for inverse head and shoulders pattern, W pattern. You can go to a descending channel, you can look for this breakout of descending channel, you can use candlestick pattern. Any reversal pattern at all can go. Okay, once you are done, you see what I did. I keep using the previous lows, okay, as my stop. Okay, the previous lows as my stop. So you must not do this. You cannot equally allow the trade to play out, just break even and allow the trade to move. Okay, so you can use the previous lows, okay, as the stop loss. Okay, so now before now we have about 1:6 risk reward. Okay, that means if you are risking let's say $10 on this trade, by now you are making about $60. If you are risking $100 on this trade, by now you are making about 600. As simple as that. You are risking small and you are targeting high. You are risking small and you are targeting high. If you are risking 1,000 on this trade, you are looking at 12,000. Okay, so it is simple. You don't have to stress yourself. Go to a higher time frame, identify this, come to lower time frame, enter your trade, allow the trade to play out. Just be patient. It can take a day, 2, 3, or even 1 week to complete. So guys, this is the whole thing. This is everything I did in this particular trade, the analysis, the entry, and the risk management. Okay, so guys, don't always if you want, I'm not saying it's compulsory. If you want to go all out, you go all out. If you want to use the highest loss size, you use the highest loss size. But what I'm saying is that it's still possible to grow that account. It's still possible to double that account with proper risk management or with the lowest loss size. You all you need is to be patient. Okay, all you need is to be patient. You need good strategy. You need to understand risk management, and you need to be patient. These three things is going to change your trading. If you can learn these three things, no matter how small your account is, you can still double it, you can still grow it, you can still make withdrawals from that particular account. All you need is learn a good strategy, understand risk management, and be patient. Okay, so you must not go all out. You must not force yourself to be aggressive because you have a small account. Okay, so that's that for this video. I want you to like this video, I want you to share this video, I want you to also leave a good comment on this video. Let me know if you love this kind of videos, and I will create more content. Maybe each time I enter trade, maybe let's say most time, not each time, because it's not possible for me to record on my trades. Okay, so maybe most time I enter trades like this, I will share with you the breakdown, the entry, the possible TP level or the stop loss level. Okay, so if you love this kind of video, let me know in the comment section. All right, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also, if you want to trade live like this, you can equally sign up with Deriv. I have the link in the description of this video. You can click and sign up with them, fund the account with them. You can fund with your from your bank account through agents. You can fund through cryptocurrency. You can fund through Skrill or any of these Payoneer. You can fund through, I think they have almost all the payment method. Okay, so that's that for this video. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now, guys.